Hi, this is Shweta Tripathi and welcome to The Print. The date is logged, the battle lines drawn, and the political parties are all geared up for the poll battle in Tamil Nadu, where Dravidian ideology still calls the shot in the political landscape. Voting for the Tamil Nadu Assembly elections 2026 will take place on 23rd April, while the results will be declared on 4th May 2026. Looking at the Tamil Nadu's political scene, we know it has long been defined by a rivalry between two major Dravidian parties, the DMK and the AIADMK. For decades, these two have dominated the state's politics, trading power in a classic duopoly rooted in Dravidian ideology, which emphasizes social justice, Tamil pride, and opposition to perceived northern dominance. But the 2026 Tamil Nadu Assembly elections are shaping up to be different. The traditional two-horse race is giving way to something more complex, with new factors like caste dynamics, debates over freebie politics, ideological clashes, and crucially, the arrival of a fresh player shaking things up. The ruling party DMK, led by Chief Minister M.K. Stalin, are defending their record by highlighting welfare schemes, secular values, and economic growth. Popular programs like financial assistance for women, free school breakfast, Nan Mudalvan, and free bus travel for women have built strong support among many voters, especially in rural and low-income groups. Supporters argue that these initiatives provide real, visible benefits and improve lives directly. Critics, however, point to issues like nepotism and dynasty politics within the party. There's also growing scrutiny over the long-term sustainability of these welfare measures, often called freebies. Opponents claim they create fiscal dependency, strain the budget, and divert funds from infrastructure or job-creating investments. Now, talking about the main opposition, the AIADMK, now allied with the Bharatiya Janata Party BJP and smaller partners as NDA Alliance, has opened the AIADMK to criticism from Dravidian rivals who accuse them of cozying up to Hindutva forces and diluting core Dravidian principles. The opposition is raising concerns of governance failures, including crime rates, women's safety, incomplete implementation of welfare schemes, and rural distress in certain areas. AIADMK and BJP are harping on infrastructure and economic growth. Both sides are locked in an ideological tug-of-war, protecting Dravidian identity and secularism on one hand versus promises of responsible welfare and development-focused governance on the other. Now, what makes 2026 truly unpredictable is the emergence of a new force, Tamazhaga Vetri Kazhagam or TVK, founded by popular actor Vijay. TVK is positioning itself as an independent alternative so far, with plans to contest all 234 seats on its own. Drawing on Vijay's massive fan base, especially among youth, the party is trying to tap into frustrations with the duopoly, promising a fresh approach free from dynasty politics or controversial alliances. Every major player claims the authentic mantle of Dravidian ideologue, Periyar's anti-caste, rationalist, secular, and anti-Hindi legacy. Tamil and Dravidian pride reflect a strong anti-Hindutva stance, framing contests as Dravidian versus Aryan or state autonomy versus central overreach. Ideologically, the BJP highlights economic liberalization, large-scale infrastructure, and cultural nationalism while positioning itself as the one that respects Tamil history and pride. Analysts note that this political dynamic, DMK and allies, AIADMK, BJP combined, and TVK, could fragment votes in ways that upend traditional patterns. Analysts note that this political dynamic, DMK and allies, AIADMK, BJP combined, and TVK, could fragment votes in ways that upend traditional patterns. Social fragmentation along caste lines, debates over freebie culture, and broader ideological battles against perceived central overreach are all intensifying the contest. Traditional caste voters such as the Vanniyars, the Tevas, the Kongus, the Dalits, and the Muslims remain the bedrock of Tamil Nadu politics even as youth and digital trends grow. Community-based politics still remains a strong strategy because the traditional vote banks, especially in southern parts of Tamil Nadu, remain intact. The Vanniyar, Kongu, and other communities remain loyal to their leaders. However, there are new trends of youth, women, and digital outreach that are loosening rigid caste arithmetic in urban areas. Rural and semi-urban belts still vote heavily along community lines. Political experts observe that while welfare schemes like free bus travel and breakfast programs have clear visibility and benefits, they can always be critiqued for efficiency and long-term impact. Yet, people feel the gains directly, which makes them hard to dismiss. In short, Tamil Nadu's 2026 elections are no longer just about DMK versus AIADMK. With governance challenges, social divides, ideological clashes, and a bold new entrant in TVK, the state is heading into one of its most open and unpredictable polls in years. The battle for Tamil Nadu's future is on, and it's more crowded than ever.